So we are about to check out na here from Hotel 101 and medyo gloomy yung weather today. So ayun, actually lilipat tayo sa Makati and doon naman tayo mag-work from ano ba? As a nomad worker ang peg natin. So ayun, samahan nyo pa rin ako syempre. And i-compare natin kung saan ba mas okay maging digital nomad worker. From BGC or from Makati. So, ayun, I will see you guys later and papakita ko sa inyo kung saan tayo magsistay doon. Ayun, aalis na tayo sa room natin na super na-enjoy ko for how many days. Ayan, meron lang hindi gumagana na socket dito, which is ayun. And guys, nakakatakot yung banyo. So, hinarangan ko siya doon ng lotion. Kasi, nalak ako, oh my god. Story time yun, sige. Ayun, bago tayo tuluyang mag-check out, nalock ako here at 16:12. Mga good 10 to 15 minutes din ako nagpanic sa loob ng banyo. As in, nalock in ako, grabe. Parang panic room, literal na nagpanic ako. Parang feeling ko nasa horror movie ako, ganun guys. So ayun, mag-iingat kayo kung magstay kayo here at Hotel 101 Fort. Yung lock sa banyo, i-check nyo mabuti kasi nung nalock ko siya, hindi ko na talaga siya mabuksan from the inside. So, ayun. Yun yung scary part sa stay na to. Pero other than that, sobrang okay lahat ng staff, yung service nila, yung turn down service ng kwarto. Sobrang linis siya almost every day. And especially if i-request nyo, okay yung housekeeper dito sa floor ko, sa 16th floor. So, ayun lang naman guys. And later na tayo ulit, chumika. So guys, we made it here sa Gomez The House by Hotel Durban. Parang siya, backpackers type na hotel. Pero merong private rooms naman siya. And super mura ko lang to na book. You can also book it through Klook. And you can use my promo code of course so you can get discounts. Nasa 1,000 plus or 1K something lang siya. As in, sobrang mura and not bad na siya if gusto nyong mag-overnight party here in Poblacion or mag-work from here, find a nearby cafe. And so, ayun, pakita ko na sa inyo yung room and let's go. So guys, ayan, yung door, ang gamit is susi. Ayan, key talaga siya, physical key. And ayun, meron naman siyang double lock here and meron silang phone. Ito yung bed, guys. I booked a triple room. So, ayan. May, yata rito. Pwedeng ma-pull out this one. So, ayan. This is good for 3 persons. And merong TV. Ayan. And, ayan. Merong safety deposit box. May small, parang small table. Siguro pag na-remove tong water pitcher and yung mugs, pwede tayo mag-work dyan later. And sobrang chicken itong nila. Simple nila, wall art na. Ayan, merong small side table sa bed. Pwede nyo paglagyan ng skincare nyo or ng makeup, ganyan. And let's check the bathroom. Ayan guys, meron namang mirror and then may towels. 3 yung towels since this is good for 3 persons nga. And then, merong bidet. Ayan. And ayan yata yung control sa water heater. And ayan, rainfall type yung shower nila. And ayun, merong lalagyan ng soap din. Ay, may toiletries din. Ayun, may shampoo. And siguro shower gel or conditioner yung isa. So guys, wag lang kayo mag-expect ng view dahil parang residential area siya. Ayun, may manong pa na nakahubad. Sorry naman po. Coro Hotel or near I'm Hotel din. And walang wifi dito pero nakadata naman ako and merong power outlet. So perfect na yun for me and hindi masyadong crowded. So ayun, work muna tayo here and update ko kayo later kung may ganap tayo ngayong gabi. So hanggang gabi pa yung work ko. Oh my God guys, inabot ako ng sobrang lakas na ulan as in, unos levels. So ito, wala akong mabook na Grab or any taxi. So nilakad ko mula dun sa Wendy's sa Makati Ave, pabalik dito sa sa hotel. Grabe. Alam nyo ba, nilagyan ko ng plastic yung sandals ko. Nakakaloka. Sayang hindi ko na videohan kasi mukha akong tanga. Pero wala na akong pakialam kasi na-minimize naman yung pagkabasa ng sandals ko. Kasi iba yung texture ng sandals ko. Parang gamuza siya. And sobrang favorite ko yung sandals ko na yun lately from Zara. So, ayoko siyang mabasa at malubog sa baha galing sa ulan. So, ayun, nakabalik naman tayo safely. And ayun, back to work na ako guys. And mag-good night na rin ako sa inyo for now. And I will see you tomorrow for another working day here in Makati. Ayan guys, so ganyan lang yung nangyaring pagkabasa niya. Pero kung hindi ko yan nilagyan ng plastic, for sure, super soaked yan. Kasi yung ulan is parang kahit magpayong ka, walang silbi. Ganung level siya. Still here sa Makati and imimit ko yung sister ko here sa Habitat Boutique Hotel. Naubusan na kasi ako ng damit, kaka-extend. So, ayun, wag niyo ako i-judge if repetitive pinsan yung polo ko. Mabango naman sila and nagpapalit ako ng sando. So, ayun. So guys, ayun, nag-work lang ako sa Starbucks as usual. And then, nag-dinner sa McDo. Hinihingal pa ako. Naglakad ako yung may binili ako sa 7-Eleven. And tinry ko umakyat dito sa 5th floor nila. Maganda ha. It's been a very long day na guys. Pagoda na ako. So, ayun, I will see you tomorrow and good night. having my coffee here at Starbucks. And na-excite ako i-try yung bago nilang cake for Christmas, yung tartufo cake. And let's see kung masarap siya. So, ayun. Ayun lang naman, and tambay lang ako here. And update ko kayo later kung may mapupuntahan pa tayo. Good night. Good morning guys! So we are still here in Makati and tuloy pa rin tayo sa paghahanap ng mga budget hotels na hindi lang swak for staycation. Pwede rin siya if may need kayong asikasuhin in the area or if may business trips, ganyan. Or sa mga digital nomads, ayan, naghahanap tayo ng mga hotels or hostels even swak sa budget. And yung may mga private room pa rin. So ayun guys, I'm currently here at San Agustin Residences. Super katabi lang siya nung pinanggalingan natin na hotel earlier, yung Gomez House by Hotel Durban. And sobrang mura ko lang nakuha nitong room na to. We'll just be staying here for a night. And around 1K something and na less pa. Because of my promo code na you can also use, I will put it down below, when you book hotels or activities through Klook. So, ayun, pakita ko na sa inyo yung room and let's go. So, ayun guys, medyo maliit lang yung bed, dalawa lang yung pillows, and manipis yung sheets. So, if hindi nyo trip yung ganyan, maybe this is not for you. Pero meron naman silang TV, and ayun, medyo bahay feels dahil fluorescent or white light yung gamit. And merong mirror dito. Ayan, merong maliit na closet. And ang bongga do, meron silang fridge. And merong water kettle. And guys, hello Philippines, merong electric fan. Pero meron din silang aircon and malamig naman siya guys. So ayun. Ito lang yung window nila guys, and parang hindi rin masyado nakakapasok yung light dahil may railing. And then ito yung bathroom, very small lang, pero meron namang ba silang bidet. OMG, parang wala. So ayun guys, walang bidet pero katabi lang naman yung shower head. And ayun, merong heater, perfect. And wala silang toiletries, meron lang maliit na soap here. So ayun, that's all. And ayan guys, merong lamp, binuksan ko siya para medyo nakaka-hotel pa rin yung feel. Parang nasa bahay lang pagka white light na white light eh. So guys, nag-greenbelt na lang ako dahil wala na akong magawa dun sa poblasyon area. And okay yung food sa El Mundo Cafe and yung coffee, okay rin siya. Good evening guys. So, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kanina sa Greenbelt pero naglakad-lakad lang ako doon. And then bumalik rin ako agad doon sa hotel. And nag-dinner tayo earlier sa Canto Freestyle. And okay naman yung food as always. And nag-try ako ng rooftop bar here in City Grand Hotel. Kakagaling ko lang doon and medyo nabibingi ako. Ang taas nung kasi, nung level niya sa 32nd floor. So ayun, nag-drinks lang ako and then sobrang mura, 200 plus lang for parang cocktail price in Makati. Parang sobrang mura nun for me. And ayun, ang ganda ng view and feeling ko okay rin yung food nila. Very diverse ng menu and maybe next time I will try it here with my family or my friends to have dinner maybe. So ayun, update ko kayo guys later kung may mapupuntahan pa tayo ngayong gabi. So nakapag-check out na tayo here from San Agustin Residences and overall it was a pleasant stay naman. So for now, mag-lunch muna tayo somewhere and of course, samahan nyo ako.
Hello guys, so ayun as you saw, nag-dinner lang kami and then quick coffee here sa SM Aura. Dapat doon kami sa may High Street area kaso sobrang walang maparkingan, sobrang busy, meron yatang concert today. So ayun, that's it for this quick vlog and good night guys and I will see you in the next one.